How to change email on Fiverr account step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through the steps on how you can change your email on your Fiverr account in the simplest and most easiest way possible. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Fiverr dashboard and you're going to click over here. Once you click on that, you're going to click on profile. And once you click on profile, it's going to redirect you to this section over here. So once you're over here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on basic a preview your profile to change your email. Okay, and changing your email, trust me, it's really simple and easy. You can click on preview Fiverr profile. Now this is the profile that people are going to see, and this is your ad or this is your address that people are going to see, but no one can actually see your email, right? So you can obviously go ahead and change that from your settings over here, and here's your email. So just come to settings, write whatever new email you want, and once you've chosen the new email, click on save changes, and that's going to save your changes for a brand new email. And that is how you're going to change your email on your Fiverr account in the simplest, most easiest way possible. So that's about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.